How to use corporate design. Navigate under the Project Explorer to the point Project Settings. A window with your project settings will open. Navigate to Corporate Design. Now you can edit your corporate design. You can change the accent color, and you can change your fav icon as well. You can choose your previously added icon resources. For the login screen, you can change the title, the subtitle, the background color and the logo as well. You can change to the loading screen as well. If you are done, hit the save button.